Hello children, in my last video I explained the first two paragraphs of our chapter from tasting to digesting. In those two paragraphs I discussed about the human tongue and how it identifies the various tastes. So if you have not watched that video then please do watch it first. So now let's start with the recapitulation of what we have already studied. So let's try to answer some questions which are there in your textbook. So here are the questions. Discuss and write. Julan's mouth started watering when she heard the word Imli. When does your mouth water? List 5 things you like to eat and describe their taste. So now here you have to write the name of any 5 food items which you like so much that your mouth starts watering just by hearing the name of those food items. And you also have to write their taste. So here in this picture you can see different food items and I'm sure your mouth has started watering just by looking at this picture. Yes or no? Yes. Okay. So here is the second one. Do you like only one kind of taste or different ones? Why? So here in this picture you can see the variety in taste. Sweet laddus are there, salty namkeen is there, and sour lemon juice is also here. So you have to tell whether you like the variety in taste or you like only one kind of taste, and you also have to tell why. Now let's see the third one. Julian put a few drops of lemon juice in Champa's mouth. Do you think we can make out the taste with just a few drops? See, the taste of lemon drop is extremely sour that you can easily identify it due to its extreme sourness. Now let's come to the fourth one. If someone were to put a few seeds of saunf, any seed, on your tongue, would you be able to tell with your eyes closed how? See, perhaps we can identify it not by its taste but because of its smell. Because saunf has very strong sweet smell, and due to this we can easily identify the saunf because of its extreme sweet smell. Now let's come to the fifth one. How did Champa make out the fried fish? Can you guess the names of certain things only by their smell without seeing or tasting them? What are these things? See, by the aroma or the smell of fried fish, the Champa was able to identify the fried fish. So there are various food items which have so pleasant and strong smell that we can easily identify them without seeing them. So here in this question, you have to write the name of those things which you can easily identify just by their smell. Now let's come to the sixth one. Has anyone ever told you to hold your nose before taking a medicine? Why do you think they tell us to do this? See, sometimes it happens that nice smell of food makes our mouth to water. As you can see in the picture that this boy is getting the smell of this food and this food has become more delicious for him. So we can say that we get the complete taste of the food only when we are able to smell it. So that is the reason why our elder tell us to hold the nose. Here you can see this boy is holding his nose before taking the medicine. So why he is holding his nose before taking the medicine? To avoid the bad smell of medicine. So now these questions are completed and here one activity is given. Close your eyes and tell. See, this is the same activity which Champa and Julian did. So this same activity you can also do with your siblings, friends and parents. So now let's move further. What is there in the chapter? Okay. Use a clean cloth to wipe the front part of your tongue so that it is dry. Put some sugar or jaggery there. Could you taste anything? Why did this happen? Okay, so do you know children, if you touch your tongue with your finger, you will see that your finger will become moist and you will see some watery thing on your finger. Now what is this? This is saliva. And now what is saliva? Let's see. Yes. So now what is saliva? तो हमारे मुंह में जो पानी है, जो हमारे मुंह में नमी बनाए रखता है, उसे हम कहते हैं saliva. So watery substance produced in our mouth which keeps our mouth moist. तो सलाइवा क्या करता है? हमारे मुंह में जो है नमी को बनाए रखता है. क्या? सलाइवा. और ये किस चीज़ में हेल्प करता है? इट हेल्प्स इन टेस्टिंग द फूड. ये फूड को टेस्ट करने में भी हेल्प करता है, क्योंकि जब हमारा जो फूड होता है इट गेट मिक्सड विद द सलाइवा. तो सलाइवा के साथ जो हमारा फूड मिक्स होता है तो हमारे जो टेस्ट बड्स है वो एक्टिव होते हैं और हम जो है डिफरेंट चीज़ों का टेस्ट कर पाते हैं. नेक्स्ट, इट हेल्प्स इन च्यूइंग द फूड. हमें फूड को चबाने में भी जो है सलाइवा हेल्प करती है. उसको अच्छे से ग्राइंड करने में सलाइवा जो है हमें हेल्प करती है. उसे मॉइस्ट बनाकर फूड को अच्छे से हम ग्राइंड कर पाते हैं. एंड इट ऑल्सो हेल्प्स इन डाइजेशन ऑफ फूड. तो सलाइवा जो है फूड के डाइजेशन में भी हेल्प करती है. So here in this picture you can see this baby. Some water is coming out from his mouth. What is that? This is saliva, जिसे हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? हिंदी में हम इसे लार भी कहते हैं. तो इसका काम क्या है? What is the work of this saliva? It helps in tasting the food, it helps in chewing the food, and it helps in digestion of food. This saliva helps in tasting, chewing, and digestion of our food.